How to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can manually add a wireless Wi-Fi network. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first what you'll need to do is open up your control panel. So simply search for control panel and open it up. After you open it up, you will need to view this by large icons. So make sure that it's not on small icons. Make sure it's on large, and after you do that, head over to network and sharing center. After you find it, open it up. After you open it up, you should see this option right here. Tap on set up new connection or network. So tap on it, and after you tap on it, you'll get 4 different options. Select the one that says manually connect to a wireless network. After you select it, tap on next, and now what you'll need to do is type in the name of the network. So simply type in the name. So after you type in the name, choose the security type. Now choose the one that is the network security type. And after you do that, head over here and type in the password. So after you type in the password, you can hide the characters if you want or not. It's completely up to you. And after you've done that, you will see start this connection automatically or connect even if the network is not broadcasting. Now you can select whichever you want and then tap on next. Now after you've added this network, what you'll need to do is head back here, head over to the connections, and right here you can just select the Wi-Fi network whenever it appears, and then it will automatically connect. And it's that simple, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.